The art world is a realm of beauty, value, and sometimes deception. What if AI could be the ultimate art detective, unmasking forgeries, uncovering hidden layers, and revealing the true stories behind masterpieces? First, AI for forgery detection. AI algorithms analyze brushstroke patterns, pigment composition, canvas texture, and even the unique fingerprint of an artist's style. By comparing these minute details against vast databases of authentic works, AI can identify fakes with unprecedented accuracy, protecting collectors and the integrity of the art market. It's like having a microscopic art expert. Second, AI for hidden layer analysis. Using advanced imaging techniques like X-ray and infrared, AI can peer beneath the surface of paintings, revealing preliminary sketches, earlier compositions, or even hidden messages. This not only aids in restoration by guiding conservators, but also provides invaluable insights into an artist's creative process. AI is uncovering the secrets of the past. Third, AI for attribution. For unsigned or disputed works, AI can analyze stylistic elements and historical context to suggest potential artists, helping art historians solve long-standing mysteries. AI also sifts through vast archives of documents, letters, and auction records, accelerating art historical research and connecting previously disparate pieces of information. It's making art history more precise and accessible. AI is revolutionizing the art world, ensuring authenticity and enriching our understanding of masterpieces. Support museums and researchers embracing these technologies. Subscribe to Boomin AI to explore how technology is revealing the true beauty of art.